series of the Stainless Wear 2.0. The whole series features the latest antimicrobial technology to make you feel safe and comfortable. The Stainless Plus technology not only keeps juice, wine, oil, and ink away, but also makes the whole series easy to wash and dirt repellent. Made from long and fine microfiber threads, the fabrics of the whole series are fast drying and breathable. Plus, the UD Ultralight Pack Jacket is windproof. The lightweight design makes the jacket as light as half a banana. Built with a pocketable design, the jacket can be packed into its own pocket. The UD Tech Pro jacket is especially laminated with a PTF membrane that can permanently keep you dry in the rain for up to an hour. The whole UD series is truly the next generation of affordable, reliable, and comfortable performance wear.